So this is going to be a reading for the sign of Leo. So all that I need to know from now until the end of the month for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So let's see what you guys are going through. First, three cards for you, and then we move to your person. So one card for Leo. What is overall energy? Okay. We have Five of Wands in the reverse, which speaks about you guys are no longer wanting to be a part of conflict, drama, a situation which could involve a third party. If someone is trying to be hard to get, or acting like that, where they are really wanting your attention, where they are wanting you to chase them, then I don't really see you doing that. Okay, in terms of what's coming your way. With the Queen of Wands, I do see someone interested in you. Okay, definitely someone from a long distance. This person could either be a fire sign or earth sign: Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Could be any sign in particular, but these are the signs I see for now. But I see this person wanting to come forward, wanting to take charge, wanting to possibly make that move. Okay. In terms of how do they view you? How does this person view you? We have the Queen and the King of Wands, which speaks about counterpart, divine counterpart, that is a soulmate. So this person looks at you as someone who is very good looking, someone who they have lots of physical attraction towards, someone who they want to take action towards. Okay, and someone who they are deeply interested in. Okay, with Nine of Pentacles, they also look at you as someone who's very passionate, someone who's very confident, someone who knows what he or she is doing, and someone who could be very successful in their business or their field. Okay, in terms of what can you guys expect overall. With Two of Wands, Swords, sorry, I feel that things have always been stagnant with this connection. You guys could never really come to a conclusion or an outcome. Okay, in terms of what you need to look forward to. With Queen of Swords, I do believe you guys will talk. Okay, there is going to be a communication coming in, or somewhat honest communication. So do expect that. Like bottom card, some of you guys could have been waiting for a possible apology from this person. Okay, top card we have is Seven of Pentacles. I still see you guys waiting or still expecting them to come back with the honest truth. Okay, in terms of your connection, what's the overall energy going to be like? Leo, soulmate connections. We have two cards, both speak about ghosting. Okay, the High Priestess and the Hermit card. So which tells me that right now I believe you guys are not really in communication terms. You guys are both at a distance from each other. Okay, in the past this person could have been very in and out of your life, like coming off like a player, or some of you this person could have also cheated you. Okay, but right now I eagerly see them wanting to make a move towards you. Okay, in terms of your partner's energy, what's the energy going to be like? See, the energy is still coming off sneaky. So even if they are not in front of you or in communication terms with you, I still see this person stalking you from a distance. Okay, in terms of what do they want with Leo now? What does this person want with Leo? With the Hanged Man, this person is still wanting the drama to continue. Okay, they still want this connection to get somewhere, but at the same time they are not very much willing to put in that serious effort to move towards commitment. So they'll still want that cat and mouse thing going on. Okay, with the Devil card, things could have been however sexual, and they still want this connection to be sexual. Okay, they might not exactly give you promises about commitment and where things are going or where things could be going. However, they would want things to be sexual between the two of you. Okay, in terms of how they want this connection to move forward. Eight of Wands, so they would possibly start with a communication, then flirting, then getting things sexual. That is something I see for now. Okay, with Eight of Cups, howsoever, I do not see a lot of emotional availability from this person. Okay, in terms of their emotions, feelings, how do they feel for you? With Four of Swords, this person has taken a break from you or had taken a break from you. They were not very much active in your life. However, they do think about you at nights, okay? Not so much in the day maybe, but yes, at nights for sure. They are at crossroads. They were not clearly single or not clearly, focused on you. I do see them having other option or have had other option. Okay, in terms of their heart space, how do they feel for Leo? With Queen of Cups, I do see them having feelings for you, however, but this person could be someone who really does not like to express it, in fear of commitment or in fear of having to explain themselves, or having to, completely stay loyal to you, or completely stay devoted to you. They may not be ready for that kind of thing. Okay, in terms of their hate space, how do they feel for you? In terms of the hate space with the Hierophant card, this relationship has taught them a lot. This has been a learning experience, even if they have been really deceptive in and out. This has taught them a lot. For some of you, this could be someone who works for you, or who is your junior, or who or you have trained in your past. Doesn't have to be for everyone, but for some of you, I am getting that vibe. For some of you, I'm also getting that you are too good for them. Okay, I don't see them being at your level. Sorry for that, but yes. In terms of their intention, however, with King of Cups, I do see them wanting something, in terms of relationship, howsoever they are not going to be expressing much, but they do want something romantic with you, definitely. Okay, in terms of action, in terms of action with Six of Cups, they are definitely going to come forward. Okay, they will make that move forward. You can expect this person to somewhat come forward and express their desire to be back with you. Okay, in terms of what to expect in terms of the next couple of weeks. Four of Wands. So for many of you, I don't see you being single for long. They will make that move. For many of you, I also see you going on a date with this individual. That is if you want to. Okay, but I do see that. Okay, if they have been living at a distance from you, if it's physical, geographical, or emotional, I see them clearing that. They will want to possibly cut that bridge off. Okay, that is the distance between the two of you, not the connection. Okay, in terms of what do they have to offer. With Eight of Pentacles, this person will put in that effort to get back to you. I'm not going to speak about commitments and marriages, no. Okay, with Page of Pentacles, definitely starting off with communication and then building up. Okay, where do we see things going from now until the end of the month? With Ace of Pentacles, there is a solid potential of this connection getting to a stable ground. Okay, yes, they may be emotionally unavailable because that's a tactic, that's a strategy. Okay, however, you're confused, you have no clarity, you don't trust them at all. Okay, so yes, one card of advice for you guys. With Page of Swords, you guys need to be very much looking forward to what this person has been up to. Okay, don't really accept them back with open arms. You need to get a history check, what this person was up to, what they have been doing, and if they have been coming back to you or wanting to come back to you, why are they wanting to come back. That is, a little history check would help you. There is definitely something that they are not going to tell you, which you have to find on your own. Okay, top card we have is Three of Cups. It is mostly a third party which could have ended. Okay, but yes, there was something that was getting in the way. Okay, so far what are going to be the blockages? Blockages is going to be Five of Pentacles. That is you losing faith or hope that this can get anyway. You guys do not trust them, and you guys have your walls up. So your unwillingness to be a part of the connection could be one of the reasons that this might not get somewhere. Okay, in terms of their love messages, however, give me a second, let me get back to you. Okay, we have one message. I want to spend more time with you. Okay, in your arms. So this person definitely wants to come forward. Okay, let's go out somewhere romantic. So just like I told you, a possible date. Okay, last card we have I want to do naughty things with you, touch me. Okay, so this could get somewhat sexual. That is if you're wanting. Okay, no one's forcing you. Okay, so far this is all I have for you, Leo. All that you need to know about your soulmate connection from now until the end of the month. If it has resonated with you in any which way, please be kind enough to hit the like button, because every like helps me get more reach. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you want a personal reading, please do reach out on my website and book one for yours. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.